Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can read the data from Excel file using Iterator. Okay. In my previous video, I have already explained how we can read the data from Excel. Okay. Excel file using for loop. Okay. And what are the prerequisite to access any Excel file in Java. So I'm not going in detail for that we need Apache. Okay. Apache POI. Okay, that library is this library is needed, okay, which is available in Java to access any Excel file. Okay, and we need to create the add the dependency in our Maven project or our external jar file if you are using Java project. Okay, so I'm not going in detail on that. I would request each and everyone, please first check my previous video, then come to this video. Okay, then it will be easier for you to understand. And before coming to the code, I would request each and everyone, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button, so whenever I'm uploading a new video you will get notification. Also, please share my video with your friends and families, whoever is preparing for any automation interview or want to learn Java. I think my videos will be helpful for them. Also, please like my videos and share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you need clarification on any of the topic or any other suggestion also. That everything is welcome. Okay, positive, negative, everything is welcome. Any suggestion is fine. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now I'm coming in the code. So first what I am doing, so this is the Excel file. Okay, so this is the Excel file. So if I, this is the path, so if I give dot, this it will in directing the current project. Okay, project path. And here there is a data folder. If you could see, there is a data folder and there is a Excel file. Okay, this is read data Excel file. So this is the folder. Okay, this is the file. So here student roll number, student name, marks and boolean value, true false I have given. Okay, so there are numeric value, also string value, everything is present, so we can check whether our code is working fine or not. So for read any data, okay, and to open the Excel file, okay, open any file, we need file input stream. Okay, file input stream. So that's why I have created an object of file input stream. Okay, that is FIS equal to new file input stream, and here I have given the path where the file is present, Excel file is present. Okay, now for to access any Excel file, okay, there is a certain hierarchy we have to maintain. That is, first we have to create the object of the workbook. So this whole Excel file, this is a workbook. Okay, the whole part is the workbook. So we have to create the object of that workbook, and that we are creating using the class that is XSF workbook. And I'm creating an object WB of workbook equal to new XSF workbook, and here I'm giving the object of file input stream. I need to pass this object. Okay, file input stream object I need to pass. Fine. Now this workbook is now accessible for us. Now there is only one sheet, but it can happen that there are multiple sheet 1, sheet 2. Okay, different type of data, different type of sheets are available. Okay, so for that, so go inside that sheet, we need to create the object of XSSF sheet. Okay, so I'm creating an object XSSF sheet sh. Okay, and how we can get the sheet, we have to use this workbook object, and if you give a dot here, you will get couple of methods. Okay, so and you have to pass. So here what I am doing, I am using get sheet and passing the sheet name. This is the string value. You can give the index, so there is a index value also available. Get sheet int index, so there you need to give the index value. I am giving the sheet name. Okay, sheet 1. Fine. Now next what I am doing, so workbook is done, now sheet is done. Now we need to go inside the sheet, and in the sheet, if you could see, there is table format, right? So rows and columns are there. So first we need to read the row value. Okay, and from row value we need to read the cell value or the column value. Okay, so this is the hierarchy: workbook, then sheet, then rows, and then columns or shell. Okay, so for that now I'm using iterator. Okay, I'm using iterator, so I'm using the method iterator. Okay, and sh dot iterator, sh is the object of sheet. Okay, and I'm storing it in a variable it. So we need to check, then I'm using the while loop. Okay, whether it is it is having any value. So it dot has next, if it is having value, then I'm using the method it dot next, and that value, whatever value is available, that I'm storing in the row. Okay, and row means we need to create the object of this row class, that is xssf row, and this is the object name row, and I'm typecasting it. Okay, this it next I am typecasting it, so value is getting stored in row. So now we reach to the row. Suppose this is the first row, second row, so I'm coming now the first row. Now there is first row, there are 1 2 3 4 columns are there. So we need to now check the column. So how we can access the column? So to access the column or cell, there is a method is available, that is cell iterator. So we need to use this cell iterator. Okay, and I'm storing this in iterator cell underscore it. So here I am storing this value. Fine. Then in the same manner I am checking this cell value whether having any value has next. Okay. This is available in our iterator. If it is having value, then I am using the method cell underscore it dot next. Same like row. Fine. And I'm typecasting it and storing it in a cell. So here the class, I need to create the object of the class xssf cell, and this is the cell object, and I'm typecasting it and storing it. Fine. So this is the new part. From this switch statement I have already explained in my previous video, so I am explaining now also, but this is the same concept, okay, which I have already explained. So now in the cell we come till the cell. Okay, now in cell, if you could see, there are different type of data. Some are integer, some are string. Okay, numeric data, string data, and also boolean value I have given. Okay, to test it whether it is working fine or not. So I'm putting it in a switch case statement, so I need to check that cell type. Okay, so here there is a method get cell type. So this method will check what is the return type of the data which is available in the cell. Okay, so case, first case is string, and we are printing the value. How? We are taking the get string cell value. So if it is string value, then this method will be invoked. Suppose the data in the Excel is string, okay, they means in the cell, then get string cell value method will be invoked and it will print the data. Then numeric, suppose any numeric value is there, then we will invoke the method get numeric cell value. Fine. And then break, we know in switch case statement we need to use the break. And then boolean, suppose boolean value is available, then we need to use the method get boolean cell value, and then break, and then default value. And this I am doing system.print, so that there is a space between each data, and then for each data, once each row wise data is done, then I'm giving one line. Okay, it is going to the next line, println. Okay, so now let's run it, let's see the result, if it is working fine or not. Okay, so here if you could see student roll number, student name, marks, boolean value, and here the roll number, name, marks, and the boolean value true false, those are getting printed successfully. So data is getting fetched from the Excel file in a proper manner. Okay, so these are the two ways we can read the data from the Excel using the for loop. That is very easy, and also using the iterator. So I would suggest please practice this coding, okay, before attending any interview. Okay, because this type of question are very common. Okay, this is frequently asked question in any Java interview or any automation testing interview. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Okay, sorry for this disturbance. Okay, some work is going on in my neighbor's house, so that's why. So construction work is going on. I'm very sorry for that, but I can't help it. So that's right. So please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. Please like my video, share my videos, also comment your thoughts. Okay. Uh, that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.